Have you ever run out of buttermilk just at the exact time you need it the most? If you've got these 3 simple ingredients, let me show you how to make buttermilk right from the comfort of your home. All you need is 400 ml of fresh milk. Feel free to double, triple, or even quadruple it however you like, depending on the quantity you need. I'm also going to be using the juice from 1 whole lemon. For this quantity of buttermilk, we'll need 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to simply add 2 tablespoons of the freshly squeezed lemon juice onto the fresh milk. I'm also going to be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And that's it. You just simply need to mix it. You're going to begin to notice that the milk will start to thicken in texture and it will also slightly curdle. Once your buttermilk is ready, you can use it straight away for any recipe that you intended to use it for. And if you have any leftover, you can keep this refrigerated for up to 7 days. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I use this buttermilk to make a very delicious English scones. These scones made with my homemade buttermilk came out so perfectly delicious. I'm going to leave the link in my description box below. I hope you can try this out sometime. Remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if it is your first time visiting my channel, welcome to Megshaw's Kitchen. Please do subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.